pollution warnings as fine dust levels surge in South Korea. South Korea is currently facing severe air pollution with fine dust PM 2.5 levels rising sharply across the country, especially in metropolitan areas like Seoul, Incheon, and Gyeonggi Province. PM 2.5 over particulate matter with a diameter of less than 2.5 micrometers is considered highly dangerous as it can penetrate deep into the lungs and even enter the bloodstream, causing respiratory and cardiovascular health risks. Key details on the situation. The first, the health warnings and advisories. Air quality alert. The Ministry of Environment has issued air quality advisories in multiple regions, recommending that people, especially those at higher risk, stay indoors when possible. PM 2.5 levels have exceeded 100 micrograms per cubic meter in some areas, far surpassing the World Health Organization's recommended exposure limit of 25 micrograms. Vulnerable groups. Children, the elderly, and individuals with pre-existing respiratory or heart conditions are advised to minimize outdoor exposure. Schools have also adjusted outdoor activity schedules, and authorities are encouraging the use of N95 masks that can filter out fine dust particles. The government emergency measures. Regulations of emission sources. The government has activated emergency procedures to limit emissions from major pollution sources, including factories and construction sites. This includes restricting operations of coal-fired power plants, lower speed limits, and encouraging businesses to reduce emissions. Vehicle restrictions. In some areas, high-emission vehicles have been temporarily restricted, and public transportation usage is being promoted as an alternative to reduce vehicle emissions. The third part is long-term pollution control efforts. Cross-border cooperation. Given that a significant portion of fine dust pollution originates from neighboring countries, South Korea is in talks with China and other regional governments to address transboundary air pollution issues. Air quality monitoring and forecasting. The government has strengthened monitoring systems and developed a more advanced air quality forecasting system to provide early warnings to the public. Public response and health recommendations. Public response to the pollution warnings has been immediate, with citizens increasingly adopting preventive measures like wearing high-efficiency masks and using air purifiers indoors. Health experts advise people to follow local advisories, reduce outdoor activities, and where possible, stay indoors until the air quality improves. With fine dust pollution posing a serious health risk during autumn and winter, authorities plan to continue close monitoring and implement stronger pollution controls to safeguard public health.